TCL, another company putting out some smartphones. They have shown off a little bit this fold and roll concept, but we have a couple gifts here that fired me right back up.
Oh.
Nothing gets me going like a good GIF.
A good flippy, flappy roll.
A flippy and a flappy, a flapster. This is a fold and roll. That sound kind of like when you have a fire, stop, drop, and roll. It's a fold and roll.
Uh-huh.
In emergency situation.
Yeah.
You don't know if you should fold or roll. You do both. You fold and roll.
Just don't drop it.
Never drop. Yeah. Forget the drop part. So this GIF here showcases an internal hinge. I mean, imagine drawing something like this up. Well, I mean, you and I, we come here, we're like, you should put the clips out. Or you and I come around here, like, we're stressed out. It's all really hard. We got to do all our stuff.
Yeah.
And meanwhile, these guys are drawing that up just casually in office somewhere. They're like, oh, yeah, it's gonna fold and then roll.
Mm-hmm. I mean,
and then they actually got to go execute it. They're like, okay, we're gonna use this metal component, and hey, that's not strong enough, and let's do that. And and you got 2 months left to show the prototype, or you're dead.
Yeah, what are we doing here? Like,
couple fancy boys. I'll tell you what, couple fancy boys right here. We watch the dogs play around over there.
Yeah, and we're like, oh, good.
Yeah,
nice.
Couple of fancy boys over here. I'll tell you what, real problem. Yeah. We need to be folding and rolling. Better close up shop.
We gotta research some materials.
Material science is what they call it in the biz.
Sure, yeah.
So that's the folding mechanism. It's kind of reminiscent of other folding designs that we've seen. So you have the slab style smartphone, folds out, and the screen gets to one level. So at that point, it's looking a lot like a Galaxy Fold type of form factor. Granted, it's important to note, this one has the folding outward thing going on from similar to the Huawei products, which who knows if they're going to maintain that. People question durability and stuff when you have all the screen exposed, but that's not even what matters. What matters is the mechanical aspect once you have it unfolded, and that's going to be available to you, Willie-Do, at the bottom of this page in the next important GIF.
Okay.
In figure number 7B. Like as if I'm doing a PowerPoint presentation or something. You know?
So you fold it out and then you extend it.
It's called a fold and roll. And once you do that, you're all the way up to a 10-inch tablet, which is bigger than what the other guys, the puny thing the other guys are doing.
I wouldn't say that, but 10-inch tablet.
Yeah. Yep. I mean, you got an iPad Pro starting at 11.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a full deal tablet.
It's a honker.
Well, I don't know if they're going to market it that way. I doubt they will use that terminology. Yeah. But the fold and roll, man. Now, I don't think this is going to be the thing that everyone has in their pocket, but the science fiction aspect of it just gets me going. The science fiction aspect of it, it just kind of lights up this part of your brain where you imagine new form factors where things don't necessarily have to be the way they've always been. Mm-hmm. So